Today we got crispy chicken shawarma. This thing's literally longer than my head. We got this from Shawarma Guys in Mira Mesa. First bite's for you. The first bite was all pita. Oh wow. It's in the name, but it's super crispy. Gave me a sauce to go with the crispy chicken shawarma. The sauce they give you is pretty spicy. I asked the worker if he preferred the beef or chicken, and he said the chicken. I did take his word for it, and I'm not disappointed. If I was rating Shawarma Guys 1 through 10, I'd probably give them an 8.